And this is my favorite first name of the event. In the Midwest, we say this word all the time when things mildly surprise us and we have to make a noise. 153-683. Oh.
We are live. All right, tell the people where we are. Tell them what we're doing.
I am basically just prepping.
All right, show the people. Show the people what do you do? What are you doing to get prepped?
I'm checking my initial tire pressures, wing and splitter angle. Just need to figure out how to get more time throughout the day. On my to-do list, I have decals, which by the way, I realize are not free. So if you're in a car with like the Gridlife and you're like, why do they keep it on there? You know, like, are they trying to close?
It's because it's not free.
It's because it's $60 every time you get it. How to not make this look awkward.
I was about to say, is there a sexier way to put this on? Be like the F1 drivers.
He's got his own.
No, I see.
You need to wear a vest. You need to be professional right now.
It's game time.
Oh, you want to interview me?
Yeah, tell the besties how it went.
I knew once I got to the pre-grid and there was a single 86 in front of me, it was over.
An 86?
Yeah, like this car.
An 86?
Some might accuse me of being speedist or lap timist, but it just ruins everything, right? I didn't feel like I was actually really pushing too much or at all. I only had one hot lap, so I think I need to spend next session doing all that practice. Why are you here, Tim?
To see you get first place.
Or P2? Anyway, it's data analysis time, and so we are going to see what we could do to get faster. I think for the first time I'm getting slower, so faster, slower. So we had to see what happened.
Wait, okay, go.
It's day 2.
Day 2.
Quiet morning over here. We have a new friend.
Ryan.
Yeah, it's really cold, which is good, but it's good for me and everyone else. So we're gonna see what we can do. I'm gonna go get gas now because the car is almost empty.
Yeah, I'll race you.
You know, you can narrate too.
Oh, okay. So he's pumping gas with a gas pumping mechanism.
Description below.
Use our affiliate link. Help me, what is it? Help me pay for my next bag. Shout out to Ryan.
And he's very autonomous, you know? I don't have to say shit.
Ryan just knows. He just gets it, unlike some people, like referring to myself. Will you tell the people what you're doing, Ryan? What does adjusting the cold pressures do?
We're trying to hit an optimal hot pressure, and since dragging the tires across the track build heat, physics says that we should lower the pressure as the temperature goes up.
We love math. How are we feeling?
Oh, yeah. Remember how I said I got 0 sleep?
Yeah.
It starts to catch up to me.
No!
This phenomenon where if I drink NOS or energy drinks in the morning, I get on track and I start crying. Because you're tired.
Is everything okay?
Why am I here?
Brace yourself.
Suck it in.
Squeeze those cheeks, sister. Suck it in. Come on, work with me. Don't give up on me. You can do this. Suck it in.
Dang, helmet off.
Yeah, we're gonna have to swap the battery out.
Yeah, I figured. Time to.
Fuck this battery. Royally.
Yeah, we heard you cut.
Not just cut it. It wouldn't even shift.
Yeah, we heard it. It was really weird. Like you would hit the gas and then it just kind of stuttered.
Yeah.
It sounds like you missed a shift.
It would just stay in 7. Well, that was a terrible session. Alright, well, I've never had to wrench in the fucking paddock, but here we are. A wrench in the fucking paddock. Ryan, you're a G.
No, actually.
Careful. I wanted to cry.
Come here.
14 cars this weekend. And in P3, real tight top 5 here. P3 with a 53.819. Chris Watson in P3. And this is my favorite first name of the event in the Midwest. We say this word all the time when things wildly surprise us and we have to make a noise. 153.683. Oladipo.
Woo!
Probably not said right, but we say, oh, I love that. I love that. Oh. Midwest mild surprise word. And wow, so close. A 683 in P2 and a 668 for P1. Stephen Schaefer. I love it. That's so close. I love to see it, man. Battling at the thing all weekend. That's what everybody has to say. Rackmod up next. Some of the best sounding cars, super eating cars.
Thank you. You won the last Laguna one, right?
No, actually, I got beat right at the end on the last lap. I held the lead the entire event, and got beat on the very last lap